If you're charged with theft, it's really important to make sure that you handle the case correctly. Making sure that you avoid a theft conviction is extremely important. I've had a client before who had 2 prior thefts from 20 years ago, and then he stole a $40 shirt, but it became a felony charge. If you're at a self-checkout counter and you're scanning things and you forget to scan something or you intentionally skip scan, you'll be charged with theft on your way out, even though you've already paid for some of the items. The thing to remember is there's cameras everywhere, and we don't live in California where people let you just walk out of the store with whatever you want. In Texas, if you're caught taking something, even by accident, you can be charged with theft. And theft charges can stick with you for the rest of your life. The biggest thing to understand with theft charges is that they'll stack on top of each other. And if you have 2 prior convictions, regardless of the amount, the 2 prior convictions, your third one will be a felony. It doesn't matter if you get caught stealing a pack of gum on the 3rd time. So in Texas, if you're caught shoplifting or stealing something, if it's less than $100, then it's a Class C misdemeanor. But if it's $100.01, that's going to be a Class B misdemeanor or higher, and you will be arrested and you will be taken to jail. It's important to understand the laws here in Texas, and it's not okay under Texas law to take anything of any amount. We just had somebody who's charged with organized retail theft. They were at Target with their girlfriend, and their girlfriend stole some earrings, and then he got charged with organized retail theft and theft. It's important to make sure you understand the laws and who you're associating with, because if you're charged with theft or shoplifting, it can mess up the rest of your life. If you're charged with theft, you need to make sure you hire a good lawyer to help you so that it doesn't affect you later on. Because we understand there's some situations that happen when you're younger, but we want to make sure those prevent any future complications. If you don't handle it correctly the first time, you're going to be facing some serious criminal charges.
You can always ask questions via text, email, calling, and then I know that transitions into the courtroom as well. What are some of the things that people at the courthouse tell you about the way you handle yourself and deal with your clients?
The biggest thing is understanding what's actually happening in the legal process. A lot of lawyers may not take the time to actually go through the paperwork properly or explain what people are signing or the legal process as a whole. And it's really scary when you've never been charged with a crime before, or even if you have, it's just nice to have somebody on your side that actually takes the time to go through everything with you and explain it and has your best interests at heart. Because sometimes I'll see lawyers that just come in quick and out and they're not really talking to their clients, and we don't do that here. We always take the time to make sure our clients understand everything and they're ready to go before we leave them and talk to the court. You want to avoid any kind of theft convictions or theft charges. So if that happens to you, make sure you call us.